This is how to withdraw from Bitget to your bank account. In this video, I'll be walking you through how to withdraw your money from your Bitget using your Bitget exchange app to your bank account in your country. This is my Bitget exchange app and this is home. The first thing you need to do, you click your asset. You can see this is the amount I want to transfer to my bank in my country. But if you come under the account, you click account. It's under spot. This is very important. If you don't do this, you will not be able to do this transfer. You cannot do bank transfer under spot. So you move this money from spot to funding account. To do that, you click transfer. The money is in spot, so you click here. It's supposed to be funding, but it is now OTC. You click OTC. OTC. It is USDT that you are withdrawing to your bank account. You tap all. It is under this account. You want to move it to under OTC account, which is equivalent to funding account, so that you can move it to your bank account in your country. So you tap all because you are sending all the money from spot to OTC account. And if it is not all the money you are sending, you type the amount here. But it's all are moving. You will tap confirm, confirm. You confirm again. You come back to home. You click this icon here. You tap it. You scroll down. You look for P2P. You click P2P. This page will come out. As soon as you get to this page, you click sell. What I want to do here is not to buy crypto. I want to sell my USDT stable coin. So I will click sell. This is where you select token. If you have other token, you can select it here. So that implies that you can do P2P of this token listed here. But since I'm having USDT, I will stick with USDT. The limit is the amount you are selling. That is what you are going to input here. The currency in my country is NGN. So how much of that am I selling? Roughly that $19 USDT should worth like 28 Nigerian naira, or I put like 30. Yeah, 30. I will click confirm. I'm from Nigeria. That is why you are seeing NGN. If you are from another country, your currency will come out here. The method implies which method. Is it through card? Is it through bank? Is it through other payment gateway? If you click it, you see instead of all, you select bank transfer. You now click confirm. Before you get to this place, you're supposed to have attached your bank payment method on Bitget. For you to learn how to attach your bank payment method on Bitget, the link of a video will come out now. It will teach you how to add your bank payment method. It is less than 3 minutes video. You watch it, you attach your payment method, and you come back. All these lists that you are seeing are different peers on Bitget that are ready to sell at this amount to me. What you are going to look at for to pick correct and legitimate individual, you first of all look at people that are online. For you to know people that are online, look at this bluish color. This implies these people are online. So almost everybody are online. You look at individual with the highest number of transactions. That implies that this person has done a lot of P2P transfer. So look at this person has done over 2,100 transactions. 100%. This person has done a total of 2,100 plus. This person has done 900 plus. Let me select this person. This person has a limit between 20,000 to 100,000 naira. Let me go with this person. I will click sell. This is where you select exact amount you want to transfer to your bank account. The minimum this person will do is $12. Since it's all of them I want to do, I will just click maximum. I will click maximum. Suppose you are yet to do the transfer from spot to OTC. This is where you can do the transfer. You just click this place. You do the transfer very fast and it will go. So since I've selected all, if you go down, you can see this is my account number where the money is going. And this is the amount I will get. But if I want to get a round figure, I will just tap here and type the round figure I want to get. If I'm okay with that round figure, or you can choose crypto, you select the amount you want to sell. It will take less than 30 minutes. You just come down and tap sell. You can see order generated pending payment. So the time is counting already. This is the person that is selling to me. So this person has indicated that he has paid the money to my account. All I need to do is to go and check my account. If the money is in my account, I just click release. So I've confirmed that the money is in my account. If you're having issue, you can contact the person. The person has sent a message to me now. All I need to do is to click release. You just tap release the money. So you have to choose one. If you've confirmed that you've received the money, you tap this. If you've confirmed that you've not received the money, you tap this. But since I've confirmed that I've received the money, I will tap this. Look at this warning. Confirm receipt of payment before releasing the coin. So if you confirm that you've received the funds and you've not received the funds, it's your fault. So since I've received the funds, I will click confirm. So before I release the money finally, I have to go to my authenticator to release the money to the person. You can see completed. You can also tap this place to view your asset. You can see I only have Pi token on my Bitget account. The USDT has been transferred to my account in my country. So this is how you withdraw your money from Bitget to your bank account in your country. Thank you. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, like this video, drop your comment, and I promise to get back to you. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you in the next video. Bye for now.